Hi, Stripey. Do you think you have enough kids today? It's August 5th, 2015. The mom that knows how to hide her children. You did it again, Stripey. Your kids are getting big. Just hide them. Yes! Good girl. Did you come to see us? Yes, I'm so proud of you. Hi, Mommy. I'll have to count everyone later. I'm so glad to see you all. I'm so glad to see you. Look at all of you. Good duck. Good. Now be careful, Mom. Your kids are getting bigger, but they're still delicious. Oh boy, I can hardly wait to count everybody later. Good job. Take good care of your kids now. All right? You take good care of them. Look at those pretty babies. You got yourself some boys and some girls, and they're wandering around. Good. I'm so happy that they're that big. That's very good. Oh, look at you. Hi.